What's up, nerds? My name is Brian, and it's my birthday. I got this package here. My wife bought me a bunch of cubes. I'm gonna put on my blindfold and see if I can guess what they are. What?
You were so far off.
I thought, aren't I supposed to be in front of my bookshelf?
Yeah, but you're reaching up to the right.
I don't understand.
You're not facing the wall. Take a step to your left. The actual person step. And now face the wall again.
What wall?
Not that one, you goober.
What's wall? I don't know where I'm at.
Give me your hand. There you go.
Face the wall. I'm wearing a blindfold.
Alright, are you ready for your first cube?
Alright, let's do it.
Do I need to take them out of the box?
No, this is like part of the deal. Ooh.
Turn it around and show the camera.
Well, you go make sure that they can see it. It's gotta work. This is small. This is like a keychain or something. I'm gonna open it. I don't know what this is. It's got a weird shape. Ooh. Is this like a spinner? How many cubes do we have today? Like 10. There's a bunch of stuff. This is a fidget spinner. Oh yeah. Maybe. Oh yeah. Nice.
I think 12?
Can you solve these things? Whoa. So it's like a 3x1 floppy fidget spinner. If I had to guess. Does it actually work? Cool. Who's it made by? I'm gonna say YJ.
I don't know, you threw the box over there.
Alright. We'll see if I was right. I'm pretty sure I got that one. So a few of these are puzzles that I bought.
But not that one.
I was gonna place an order, and then she said she was getting me cubes for my birthday. This one's a rectangle, not a cube. Ooh. Whoa. You laughing at me?
No.
It's got a weird thing. I don't understand what this is. What are these? Oh, is this that crazy pineapple thing? What is this? This is like floppy. Okay. Whoa. What is this? Give me a hint.
Am I supposed to tell you if you do guess it?
Is it the pineapple thing?
It's a pineapple thing.
Does it actually look like a pineapple?
Nope.
Yeah, I've seen that before and wondered what it is.
It's that thing.
Pineapple thing. Who is it by, do you know? Does it say? So we can get answers.
Can you... Yeah, let me see that.
I am?
Liam?
Liam?
Liam.
L-I-A-M?
L-A-M.
Lim. FangShi LimCube?
It's a LimCube pineapple puzzle.
Sounds like it's a FangShi LimCube pineapple.
Alright, next.
Yeah. Ooh, I mean, does it...
Can you hold it in front of the camera, towards the camera? Okay, well, that'll do.
Where am I going? Is this the right way? This is a small one. Really? The wall's over there?
Yeah.
This is interesting packaging. It's all... Is it clear? I bet you it's clear.
The packaging is clear or the cube is clear?
The packaging. This is small. Yes, I think so. Maybe not. It's a 3x3.
It is a 3x3.
It feels really scratchy. Some good spring noise. Not bandaged. It's like a picture cube of sorts.
Can you guess what the picture is without using...
Is it the chemistry cube?
No.
Alright. Is it made by Z Cube?
I don't know. I am not a cuber. I am just a cuber's wife.
What's it look like?
Something you don't eat anymore.
Is this the hamburger?
That's a hamburger.
Nice. I think that they should have made it round. Like a bun.
Fair.
Like a bun.
But it isn't.
Nice hamburger cube. I don't know where I'm at.
Yeah. Maybe just the ground.
Is this dead? I don't understand. Alright, I'm ready. Whoa, this is heavy. Not really. It's weird. Oh, these are Siamese cubes. Are these those new Siamese cube things?
Baby sound effect.
I'm confused. This is very crinkly. Whoa. This turns pretty good. There's like 3 things here, Frank.
That is true.
There's like 3 3x3s. Whoa, this is like some bandage nonsense. It's like a 3x3 Siamese thing. It's like a W. I hope all of this isn't framed.
I think it should be. Any guesses?
It's a Siamese cube, but it's like a 3x3 Siamese cube. What is it?
That
What do they call it?
is a CubeTwist 3x3 triple cube 2.
Yeah, it's like a triple Siamese. And it's got a 2, like a no Roman numeral.
Yep.
Well, all of these layers turn, so all the bandaging happens this way, like right here. Crazy. I don't know what the deal will be with this. This seems hard. Hopefully I don't scramble all this stuff and then I can't solve them. That's what they're for. I'm not going to try and put that one on a shelf. Alright. Oh, we got a little guy. Oh. It's like a 2x2. It's got holes in it. What's going on? Pieces are hollow. Whoa. This thing is a shapeshifter. Some sort of 2x2 shape-shifting thing. Is it just 2? What? What is this? There's like a line here. I have no idea what's going on. This thing does not turn normal. Can I get a hint? Some sort of 2x2 nonsense.
It is not a 2x2.
It's not?
No.
This is like a bandaged 3x3 thing going on? Oh god, it's scrambled. I don't know what I did.
You're gonna not do that. There you go.
Man.
It's
man,
by
just do it.
MoYu.
Oh, is this a puppet cube?
There's a puppet cube.
This is a MoYu puppet cube. What's going on here, though? So it's a 3x3, but one of these blocks is huge.
I guess I can't say it's not a 2x2 because I don't know what the heck it is.
You're misleading me.
But
it's a MoYu puppet cube.
It's a MoYu puppet cube.
Is it the 1 or the 2?
1.
Alright, this is a MoYu puppet cube. I still don't understand how this thing turns. It feels small. Is it small or is it just because I'm blind?
I don't know.
I mean, is it smaller than a 3x3?
I don't think so. What are you doing?
Putting on stuff.
You're gonna mess it up.
I'm ready. Oh, this one's kind of heavy. It's kind of beefy. Ooh, it comes with
An instruction booklet.
this is.
Yeah.
Let me see if it's helpful.
You can't see anything.
It's pretty. It's got thick paper. Ooh, it's long. Yeah, that doesn't help. It's got some sound. These are like little bubbles. They're all the same. This isn't like the molecule cube thing. I'll do a checkerboard. How's the checkerboard look?
It has some work to be done.
It's solved now. Hopefully. Is this the molecule cube?
No?
It's got some bumps on it.
Yeah.
Ooh. Is this the brain cube?
No, also not that.
It feels bumpy. The brain cube is like the full 3x3. Alright, I need a hint.
Because of our...
Love. This is the YJ Love Cube?
Uh-huh.
What is it though?
That's what it is.
I just have heard that or seen that.
Well, you spend a lot of time on thecubicle.com.
Is this well, what does they look like?
Hearts?
These are all hearts? Are they different colors or what?
Well, yes.
They're colored?
Yeah.
I couldn't feel that.
Alright.
Geez, these are all small. I know there's a big one in there. Are you giving me the ones that you got specifically?
I think so.
Or are you just pulling them out?
I'm just pulling them out, but I got you most of your things.
That's true. I think I only got 2. I don't know about this. Some corner twisting nonsense. What? It's like a hole. I can't tell what this is. Oh my god. This doesn't seem good.
It's not mixed.
No, I mean like... I don't know what's going on here. It's got some crazy sideways motion. Can you hint?
A hint?
Yeah, what is this thing? I need a hint.
It is not a 3x3.
I can see that.
It's black.
Does it have stickers?
Yeah.
Whoa. It's got these crazy, like, axis turning type things going on. It's not skew.
I believe it's by LanLan.
Man, they make some crazy stuff. Oh, man. What's the first word? It seems cool.
Curvy.
This is a curvy copter? It can't be a curvy copter because it's not a curvy copter because it's not on orbits. Because this is like a whole corner that's twisting. It's a Curvy. I don't know what else they make. Does it have another word?
Uh-huh. 2 more.
Okay, what's
The
the next
last word is cube.
It's a Curvy something cube.
The other one is for sustainable energy.
What? Sustainable windmill? It's a Curvy windmill cube?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is a windmill cube?
I think so.
But it's curvy?
Uh-huh.
Because it's on an angle?
I don't know.
I'm going to have to take my blindfold off to see what this is about.
That's fair.
Is this thing, it is black?
Yep.
Is it a curvy or crazy? Is it a crazy windmill?
No, it's a Curvy windmill cube.
Never heard of such a thing. This shall be interesting. 3x3 shape mod, perhaps more challenging. Hard to turn. Well, it turns good, but it's hard to turn with a blindfold. What's this one?
It's in a clear package.
Yeah, I can see that.
No, you can't.
Well, I mean, I can feel it. Whoa, it's like a barrel of sorts. Whoa. This thing's stickerless?
Yeah, it is.
It's got some crazy... Oh. Is this a Redi barrel?
Yes, it is.
Man, that was a good one. These will be cool. Is it just a barrel that's a Redi Cube in a barrel?
I don't know.
What?
You were so far off.
I thought, aren't I supposed to be in front of my bookshelf?
Yeah, but you're reaching up to the right.
I don't understand.
There you go.
I don't know where I'm at.
I know. You're in your house. Ooh, I need to prep this a little bit for you.
I just realized this entire time I'm closing my eyes. I just opened my eyes.
And you still can see me?
Well, I mean, yeah, I'm wearing a blindfold, but like, I saw
Put your hand up.
the light for the, like a light layer. Ooh. I think this is the GAN 356M.
It's not.
It's not? It sounds wiggly. I was like, maybe that's a bunch of GES nuts wiggling around. We got a free GAN cube, I thought. This thing is kind of big, it seems like.
I might need that box back so I can actually tell you what it is.
What is going on? This is like a flagship of sorts? Whoa. This isn't the MoYu, is it? Did it all come in one package?
It is a MoYu.
This is the MoYu WR M 2021?
Yep, that's what it is.
Stay tuned for my review of this cube. I pre-ordered that. It finally came in. Can't give away too much. It seemed like a nice box. Did it look nice?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
It seemed premium. That's a new flagship. Whoa, this is heavy. This is a LimCube.
Oh, I actually don't know what it is. Can I see?
It's probably in Chinese.
Yeah, they all are.
So you don't know what it is?
No.
This is a LimCube. I got a couple of them. Whoa, it comes with something. Ooh, comes with stickers. This is my 4x4 horror cube. There's no stickers.
Oh, that's true.
This is my 4x4 horror cube. I'm going to show you guys this soon. I can't do it now. I'm wearing a blindfold. Alright, I'm going to trade you for this one. This would be a sweet puzzle. This is a 2-solution cube, similar to a 2-solution 3x3. So you put the stickers on, and you can solve it both by shape and color.
Oh, I realized. Come further.
Is this the last one? We got more?
2 months. Just months.
Man, I didn't realize my worm came already. I'll make a video for that thing. Whoa. I bet you this one's all silver.
It is.
Whoa, this turns pretty good. This thing is magnetic. This is so cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5x5 mirror blocks. This is gonna be crazy to solve. Although, unlike the 4x4, I don't think any special or crazy methods are necessary. Wow. This turns 1,000 times better than the 4x4, which I think turned pretty good. I'm scrambling in.
Uno más.
This will be really cool. This is magnetic. It's got light magnets. You can definitely feel them. This seems like it has really nice build quality. This is my GAN, right?
That is your GAN.
Is this a GAN 356M?
Mm-hmm.
This is a GAN 356M that I'm probably going to give away because it's got GES nuts and ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh man, I unwrapped it, so you're gonna give away something that is slightly unwrapped.
It'll be slightly unwrapped, but it's a free cube. Someone will be happy. I got this for free as part of placing this giant order with the cubicle.
Well, I got it.
Yeah, my wife got it.
Alright.
Is that it?
I have one more thing to hand you.
Ooh.
Put that on the ground.
What is it? You said I'm out of cubes.
It is. I mean, you are.
Oh. What is this? Seems like a mat.
It is.
Let's see what kind. This is harder than I would think. What did we get? We got some free stuff for this order. Like, this is free, right?
We got that for free. We got a free cubicle sticker.
Ooh, nice.
We got that mat.
Whoa, this is a big mat. This thing's jumbo. Ooh, it's got the little knobs for your timer. Here it is. It says cubicle or something. What does it say?
Thecubicle.com, and it has an A on it.
Ooh, is it red? Nice.
Black.
We got ourselves a sweet Angstrom mat here.
And we got this
Angstrom
sticker.
cubes are awesome. Super dope. What'd you say?
I'm showing them the sticker we got, and I showed them the birthday card that Phil so nicely sent you.
Phil sent me a card?
Phil sent you a card.
What's up, Phil? Thanks for that. That's cool.
Thanks, Phil.
Let me see it.
Yeah.
Man, that's nice.
I think you can officially take off your blindfold now.
Cool.
Your card is upside down.
Well, I'm way over here. Hopefully that's in frame.